Get up in the morning, get out of bed, get these thoughts from out of my head. Say hello, how's your day? Feeling good? Are you doing okay?
Here we go.
Get up, get down, get on into town. 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 Oh yeah. Get up in the morning, get out of bed, get these thoughts from out of my head. Say hello, how's your day? Feeling good? Are you doing okay?
Here we go. Here we go.
Get up, get down, get on into town. 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 Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Get up, get down, head on into town. 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 Oh yeah. Thank you.
Oh yeah. Come on. Woo! Sound Express. Welcome, welcome. Brian, say a couple of words, dude. Give us a speech.
Yeah, I can say thank you for introducing us. We are the best thing. I can say, everyone, please come to watch us. We are the best band ever. Everyone, enjoy, relax, enjoy your band. Thank you.
Oh, great stuff. Let's have the next song. Here we go. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well done, guys. Hey, guys. Just going to say a couple of thank yous. Ryan, thank you for that speech, man. That was awesome, dude. Thanks, man. Let's go to Justin. How you doing there, Justin? Looking cool there?
Yes, I'm looking good, thank you. I'm looking forward for this. It's amazing. And I can't believe you just
Okay,
done
Anna, you
one
can
of
do the
my
mute thing.
songs.
Yeah. What's that? Sorry, Justin.
I've done my own songs, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my riff for you lot out there. Thank you very much.
Justin came up with that riff. Let's go to Terry. How you doing, Tez? And Aaron, Aaron, are you there?
Come here.
Yay! Good stuff, man. There you go. I'm just going to say a couple of thank yous. Adolion Cumbria, Adult Learning Wales, they fund us. Amazing support. These guys really believe in what we do, and their support and funding has really made Sound Express possible. They're a really forward-thinking organisation and genuinely care about their people and learners, and we're absolutely chuffed to be working with them as partners.
Jamie.
Yes, Terry.
The Ghostbusters and Country Tigers, they're nice of I sang.
Let's have Terry. Tell us a little bit about Connors Key Tigers, mate. You wrote this song.
Yeah, the Country Tigers is a football group, and me and Aaron and another sort of the group, and then we all play from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock on a Wednesday night. After I go from work on the bus to college, to college, and I take off for work, get for my football gear, and we play all the way from 5 to 6 on a Wednesday night. After
have you been able to do it during lockdown, mate, and all this? Is it still going on?
No, because the college is closed, so we couldn't go anywhere in lockdown.
Let's have a big cheer for Connors Key Tigers! Let's play the song, Connors Key Tigers. Coming straight at you guys. Hey guys, well done. We're going to go over to Chris. How are you doing, Chris?
I want to do Bob Got a Job.
We are going to do Bob Can't Get a Job, mate. That's going to be our last song. Let's say hi to Michael. How you doing, Michael? Show us that gorgeous Fender Strat, mate. Sounding good, mate. Sounding good. This is going to be our last song, so I'm just going to say a couple of thank yous. Guys, I say thank you so much to the families and fantastic support staff that do so much for Sound Express, getting to gigs, keeping us fed and watered. Big cheer! DJ Keith, thank you, DJ Keith, for doing our backgrounds for us, mate. That is unbelievable and such a great guy. Keith, you're a star, mate. Cal, give us a wave, Cal.
Yeah, what's up?
Cal is our front of house guy. He does our mixing. He's been mixing these tracks. A big cheer for Cal, please.
Hey.
Charles and Rob at Reality Boffins. Boffins is the right word for you dudes. Tell you what. Terry, your picture's gone, mate. I don't know where you've gone.
Yeah, looking at
Can I just say a thank you to Anna? Give us a wave, Anna. Putting up with me and working 24 hours a day in this beautiful thing that we do. Kai, a wonderful team at Emerge. Yay! Big buddies. We're looking forward to working with you guys. We're so glad that you're coming up north. I'm sure they're going to do loads together. And we say a big thanks to Kai as well and the wonderful team there at Learning Wales for putting this thing on. Finally, the biggest cheer of the night, please, and the most important thank you of all to all the members of Sound Express. You know what, guys? We bring so much joy. You bring so much joy and amazing tunes to the world. Thank you. Yay!
Yay!
Thank you, guys. This is going to be our last song. We're going to
Before
go
we
out.
play our last song, I wrote this as a drama piece, and this song is called Bob Can't Have No Job.
He did.
Right.
Oh, Bob ain't got no job. How many people out there have got jobs, guys? Tell me, who's got a job?
Elliot.
Come on, man.
Yes.
Bob can't get a job. Let's go for it.
Let's go.
Bye.
Before I go as well, Mark John Williams, thank you, man. Thank you so much for everything that you do, mate. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sparkles, you're back.
Diolch enfawr i Addysg Oedolion Cymru am y gymorth da ni'n rhoeni, a diolch hefyd i ffrindiau Gigiau am y cyfle yma i chwarae efo ti. A diolch eto i Sound Express. Pawb, Sound Express!
Diolch, Sound Express. You've been absolutely fantastic. Thank you for joining us tonight. You've been absolutely brilliant. Please join us on Facebook and stay for the after party. We'd love to see you there. But thank you so much for joining us. Hopefully we'll see you again very soon. And join us for Gig Buddies up in North Wales. We look forward to working with you again. Diolch, thank you.
See you.
Yeah.